My area of research is textile conservation. I do a lot of professional training courses in and outside Japan and have a great interest in philosophical issues in the diversity of conservation in the world. I studied at the Textile Conservation Centre, then affiliated with the Courtauld Institute of Art, University of London, and after graduation I worked at the Textile Conservation Department at the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York. I was also a researcher at the Fitzwilliam Museum in Cambridge University, where I studied conservation of ancient Egyptian textiles. Since 2016, I teach museum collection conservation and textile conservation at Saga University. I conduct scientific studies into topics such as analysis of natural dyes using HPLC, color fading caused by museum lighting, and conservation materials tests such as synthetic adhesives. As part of my educational activities in conservation, I have worked with conservators in places like Armenia, Taiwan, and Egypt. Since 2008, I'm involved in the Capacity Development Project run by the Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA, at the Grand Egyptian Museum Conservation Center, and since 2016, I am a team leader responsible for the conservation and display of 57 textiles associated with King Tutankhamun. The activity in Egypt won the 27th Yomiuri International Cooperation Award in 2020. I also work as a training instructor for ICROM, and 2019 I hosted an ICROM summer school at Saga University's Arita campus, with participation from 22 countries. I'm currently leading a conservation training program with Holy Mother Sea Museums of Echmiadzin in Armenia. I love to work overseas, make new friends, and learn about the world. Before taking up the teaching job at Saga University, I worked as a freelance textile conservator and received commissions from national museums. I also supported the rescue work at the Rikuzen Takata Municipal Museum, which was damaged during the Great East Japan earthquake in 2011. At the moment, I'm helping the recovery of fire-damaged textiles at Shurijo Castle in Okinawa. The conservation of cultural properties requires specialized knowledge and techniques. There are currently very few textile conservators in Japan. Until now, I've worked to support the education of professional museum staff overseas. But there is an urgent need to train talented textile conservators in Japan and in Asia. The Graduate School in Regional Design at Saga University offers opportunities in studying textile conservation. I strongly believe that higher education is important to ensure that individual cultural properties can be passed down intact to the next generation.